Hi, I'm Kim. I'm with 6260 Honda, California, and today I'm opening my Ultimate Magic Bibbidi Box. This is for the month of January, and I'm excited to see what's inside. Honestly, I'm hoping I got some of my wish list items. It's $119 each month. You get the option of putting together kind of a wish list of things that you want. It's not a guarantee, but it's kind of, usually you'll get something on your wish list. So let's take a look. Okay, it's still got Christmas themed. And it says, whoopsies. It says home for the holidays. So it's really cute. It's castle. And this, of course, it's from Our Family Cheers, Happy Holidays. And it's a packing slip. And a quick note about your box. This box has fewer items of higher value as opposed to more items of lesser value. We hope you love it. To change this option, please update your preference manager account by logging into Bibidi Club, which is true. I do have that as one of my options, that I would prefer less items of better quality. Okay, it's got the cute little Bibidi sticker. It's funny, this month didn't come in its traditional box. Oh. No. This was not on my wish list. Okay, it's got a villain's books. Loungefly. Okay, it's got a little cute villainous books zipper. And let me get all this off. And it's just got the whole pattern. It goes around. Nothing on the straps. We're going to open it up. Okay, we'll take off the little foam. And it's got purple writing in black. It continues the pattern against the backpack here inside. But on the flap, it's got purple writing. And it says, bad vibes only, mad world, total chaos. All right, so it has this purple writing inside with black lining. The second item is a Jim Shore. Okay, this is kind of cute looking-ish. Okay, this is cute. It's a stitch with an angel mistletoe, I believe. I would think. Yeah, because it's got ornaments on the little, around the like little platform. It's cute. I like it. It'll be fun for the holidays. This was not on my wish list. Okay, so we're gonna get down to the packing list. I'm gonna tell you guys before I get to the packing list, this is also going to be my last Bibbidi box. Upon opening this, I'm breaking up with Bibidi Box. I'll explain in a moment. Okay, what's inside? Curated with Love by Becky. Loungefly Villains Book Backpack was $70. And Disney's Traditions Jim Shore Angel and Stitch Mistletoe Kisses figure was $65. Now, the total value was $135, which was a great value. That is actually the best I've ever gotten out of any box. So that's great. That's amazing. Okay, so you guys probably want to know, what do I mean I'm breaking up with Bibidi? For actually several reasons. My first reason is, so I get charged the first week of every single month for Bibidi. $119, it comes out of my account automatically. They have given me my box. Every day it's shipped out on the absolute last day, the last 4 months. So that's the 29th, 31st, whatever that month happens to be. Or I guess it'd be like 30th, 31st, the last few months. But they say, okay, if you want to avoid this happening, then you do your wish list preferences as soon as possible. I have always done my wish list the day it comes out. And I always get at the end of the month. Now, I've asked them about this before, previously, when I gotten on the back of the list. It's happened before, but never for 4 months. So I'm not very happy with that. As far as my wish list, the Villains book bag was not on my wish list. I had 3 Loungefly backpacks that were on my list. It's happened the last few months where I've had something on my wish list. Matter of fact, they've rolled over to the next month, so I know it's not an issue of where they've ran out of the product. So they've completely ignored my wish list. Almost. I think I got a pin that was on my wish list. A lot of times I was getting $4 and $5 items that I didn't really like, and that was justifying the difference in cost of like a few items. But I don't feel like I was getting products that I want. I can go to, I've been wanting the Tiana Palace Castle Loungefly backpack. It's still $70 on Amazon, the same price it's on Bibidi. But considering I've had it for my list for 2 months, I'm gonna go on Amazon, buy it, and not get the other stuff in a Bibidi box and save money. They also say it might be because they put something special that they ordered from another company in. Well, the months that I've been at the end of the list, it's not been from Wishes, it hasn't been from Basin, it hasn't been from other companies. Matter of fact, I've asked for stuff, you know, that should be sitting in their warehouse if I've asked for it multiple months in a row and it's still in stock, but I haven't gotten it. So for those reasons, I just feel they're not listening to me as a customer. They have not valued me as a customer. Why? Because they're not following my wish list and I'm always at the end. I've actually started calling this January's box, but this was actually December's box. So this shipped out on the 28th of, no, it was, yeah, like the 28th of December. Of course, they closed early because of New Year's. So that was a day or two before the end of the month, but the end of their working month. So, because I don't see them shipping out on the 31st as post offices were closed. But I don't feel valued. I don't feel you've listened to me. I feel that I can go get exactly the Loungefly bag I want or the Gym Shore I want for the same price, and I don't have to be stressed out about it. So I'm actually going to go and get the Tiana Loungefly backpack that I want, and I'm going to cancel my Bibidi. So if you guys have questions, if you've had these same experiences, I feel I have to be transparent and honest with you guys, because I can sit in front of a camera and tell you guys, oh, this is the best, I love it all. That would have been sugary and fake. So I don't want to do that. I want to be transparent and honest with you guys. So I realize this is a mystery box, it's a surprise, but yet when they ask for a wish list, I expect something off the wish list. So that's kind of my reasoning for it. And especially it wasn't 1 month, it's been over a span of months I'm not really getting what I want. So especially with my big ticket item, like a Loungefly backpack, if I'm not getting the Loungeflies that I want and I put several on my list and I've asked for the same ones over and over and over again and I'm not getting them, then I don't feel like, I kind of kept them on the list and keep putting them on the list because I really want it. You would think they would notice. So anyways, if you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and follow along with our Ohana. So with that, I'm going to say goodbye and find your magic. Bye, everyone.